When customers come to Spradley Chevrolet, they're going to get a smile as soon as they walk in the door. We greet our customers with the best of our ability, and we strive to make sure it's taken care of at that first visit. I believe that customers should come to Spradley Chevrolet because we have certified technicians here, and we do the best of our ability to take care of everyone that walks through the door. Here at Spradley Chevrolet, we are not only a family-owned business, but we are family. We make sure that everybody gets greeted and treated properly.
Spradley Chevrolet is a good place to work because the owners are interested in the employees. I get pretty personally involved with a lot of the customers with their cars because the cars are pride and joy, and I make sure that everything's done correctly and properly in an efficient manner.
Thank you guys for watching. My name is Misty Kirchner, Service Advisor here at Spradley Chevrolet. We'd love to see you in.
We will help you find new roads at Spradley Chevrolet.